Kajing jia sa simno kajing im uhebrit ubadang news nam karta ubalaja nalayeng men haka pratre Risau araja arpusan badban lapat ya kamet yap jong haka kendai tre Risau araja arpusan namaupan na kaliang USP ke East Khasi Hills District ula pentip bagajing toket kadang ya chakman habakran sekilat pathai kubor haka no phai sngi jong khatlai tre Risau araja arpusan uba Vivix im ula ong bagi don kidak mong haka met jong uhebrit Henry omla bantip balik se kila bandai haswa kajing syak penyap lani hadien kajing syak penyap bat yakane kindang hab ban up yakakai pot postmortem nolor kita ulo ong ru bana kaliang kipulit kidang wat bania yaki badan kti ha kane kakam.
See there are injuries and all that. Some could be antemortem and some could be postmortem injuries and all that. Usually if the body is exposed for a long time, then you can have postmortem injuries, also means after death injuries from the various elements of nature. So we are waiting for the postmortem report to actually ascertain what type of injuries were antemortem, maybe if there are postmortem injuries also. So from the postmortem report, we will get a clearer picture of how he died.
So any suspect identified so far?
See, as of now, the spectrum of suspects is wide. As SIT progresses and all that, we will be able to narrow further. Since it is a child out here, and where the motive to kill a child is very difficult to establish. It either could be for ransom, which has not come about. It could be for sexual assault, for which the inquest has not indicated of any sexual assault, or we'll confirm that from the postmortem. And if there's none of these motives, then we have to look for other motives. So it's very important to first establish what is the motive for killing the 7-year-old child.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya